Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export high quality stories and reel from Unfold so your content looks clean and professional on social media. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the Android user can follow the same steps. First, open your completed story or reel in Unfold. Make sure text is clear, photo and video look sharp, animation and music are working correctly. Always preview your design one last time. When you are ready, look at the top right corner, tap the download or export icon. This opens the export options. Now select your export quality. For the best result, choose high quality or maximum quality. 1080p or higher is available. This setting keeps your story and reels sharper and clear. To tap save to phone, Unfold will now export your story or reel. Wait a few seconds while it processes. Once finished, your file will be saved to your gallery or Photos app. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.